We'll guide you through how to forward a text message on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps somebody went and sent you a message saying an important life update or something like that, and now you want to go and share it with other people as they told you to, or there's another reason why you want to do this. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide and you'll be able to go and forward the message to who you want to. So to get started, we need to go and head into the Messages app. So what you can do is come down to the bottom and you want to go and find Messages. As you can see, there it is. You can always go and swipe up and go and find it on the app pages and go and search at the top if needed. Then what you want to do is you want to go and tap on it like so. Now what you want to do is you need to go into the conversation where the message is you want to currently forward. You don't go to the chat or conversation with the person you want to forward it to. It's where the message currently is. So in this case, in this conversation here with Rob Tucker, then what you want to do is go and scroll up or scroll down and go and find the message you want to go and forward. So in this case, it's this one here. Now, it's important to note as well, if there's multiple, keep watching. So what we now need to do is you need to go and select the message you want to do it with. So you don't just tap it, you just tap and hold it. You can see it's now selected, and then you can't do this with multiple at one time. So if you go and select multiple like this, it won't go and work. You have to do it one at a time. So with it selected, you then go to the top right and you can go and press the three dots and you can then see the option for forward. And what you can do is go and tap forward, and now you can go and choose the recipients. So you can actually go and select multiple at one time, which is convenient. I can go and send it to example, for example, and I can select others as well and scroll down to look at more of my contacts. And then what you could do is go and press next in the bottom right, and then you'll go and see the message here. So you may want to at the start say something like, this is going to be a forward message, just so they know, or just send it, it's up to you. Press send, and now it's going to go and be sent. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.